I'm Noga Leviner, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of PicnicHealth. I've spent the last decade of my life working to help unlock the power that comes from having patients really truly at the center of their own medical data. What that means is not only are patients empowered with their records, with their own information, in order to get the best care that they can and be the best advocate that they can be for themselves in their own care journey, but they also have the opportunity to put their hand up and say, I would like to contribute my unique story to researchers who are trying to make sure that the right therapies are getting to the right patients in a safe way as quickly as possible. As a patient myself, I've always felt and been very aware of the importance of trust, whether that's trust with a physician, making sure you have that really good relationship, whether that trust is with the family member that's acting as a caregiver, or in this case, whether it's trust with the patient portal you're using, with the app that you're using, or with the company that's helping you contribute to research. So with every decision we've made at PicnicHealth, with every hire that we've made, every new person we've brought onto the team, we've always done it, and I've always done it with a view to ensuring that the trust that we have with patients, that the transparency that we have with patients really stays at the center of everything we do. I think as patients, we have this drive, we have this this need to want, I have felt a need to want to create meaning out of the experience that I'm having. It seems so pointless for this one kind of life that we get to go through something as difficult as having a serious illness, having your body stop working for you in the way you want it to work and the way it should work, and to not do something bigger with that. And I think it can be a huge struggle to find really meaningful ways to make meaning out of that experience. People do it in a lot of different ways, but contributing to research, especially when there's a low barrier to making that contribution, does feel like the place where I've been able to find a lot of that meaning. At the end of the day, I want patients that are thinking about signing up for PicnicHealth to know that we are also patients here at PicnicHealth. We are, engineers and accountants and epidemiologists and clinicians, but we're ultimately here because we care about patients. And for myself and many other people here, that's because we have had the experience of being a patient, because I have had the experience of being a patient myself. We have had the experience of being patients or of being a caregiver.